India and Australia's Economic Cooperation and Trade Agreement completed how many years? Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option D, 2. Total trade reached $24 billion in 2023 to 24, with India's exports to Australia growing by 14%. What is the main objective of the Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, signed between FIU, IND, and IIRDAI recently? Options A, B, C, or D? The answer is option D, enhancing cooperation in the fight against money laundering and financing of terrorism. The MOU outlines procedures for reporting to FIU India and includes outreach and training programs. With which country is India collaborating to co-produce interoperable sonobuoys for Undersea Domain Awareness (UDA) for the Indian Navy? Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option A, United States of America. Ultra Maritime, and Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL, are key partners in this initiative. India and blank will sign an agreement in the field of geology and exploration. Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option B, Mongolia. The Indian Cabinet has approved the Memorandum of Understanding between the two countries. India will celebrate 2026 as a dual year to celebrate culture, tourism, and AI with which country? Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option A, Spain. The celebration will focus on culture, tourism, and artificial intelligence. CDOT has signed an agreement with which institutions to develop a wide-band spectrum sensor ASIC chip? Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option A. IIT Jammu and IIT Mandi, the Center for Development of Telematics, signed an agreement with IIT Mandi and IIT Jammu. Consider the following statements about the ceasefire deal in Gaza. First, Israel and Hamas have reached an agreement regarding a ceasefire in Gaza and the release of hostages. Second, the agreement will commence on the 19th of January 2025 and will continue for a duration of 42 days. Option A, B, C, or D? The answer is option C, both 1 and 2. The agreement starts on the 19th of January 2025 and lasts for 42 days. IREDA, SJVN, GMR, and NEA signed a partnership agreement for the Upper Karnali hydropower project in which country? Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option C, Nepal. The Upper Karnali hydropower project is a 900 megawatt project located in Nepal. Which state signed Memorandum of Understanding totaling 38,750 crore rupees at the World Economic Forum in Davos? Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option B, Maharashtra. Maharashtra signed multiple MOUs at the World Economic Forum in Davos. When was the World Bank neutral expert set up to resolve the Indus Water Treaty dispute? Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option A, 2022. The Indus Water Treaty was signed in 1960 between India and Pakistan. Which two countries have announced new initiatives to deepen bilateral cooperation in January 2025? Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option C, India and Indonesia. India and Indonesia announced new initiatives to enhance bilateral cooperation in January 2025. India and Blanc decided to resume the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and direct flights in 2025. Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option C, China. India and China agreed to resume the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and direct flights in 2025. Health Department and police of which state have collaborated with Alliance India to fight drug abuse? Option A, B, C or D? The answer is option B, Punjab. Punjab State Health Department, Punjab Police and Alliance India, an NGO, have joined forces to combat drug abuse.